Congratulations, Prashant.
Thank you, ma'am.
You cleared your RIMC June 2025 exam. Which attempt was it, Prashant?
It was my last attempt.
What happened in second attempt? You cleared in second attempt also?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened?
I was merit out. I was on reserve 4 and can't be selected.
You couldn't be selected because you were in reserved category. And what was your All India rank at that time?
And my All India rank was 42.
42. So did you follow any specific strategy for this last attempt?
Yes, ma'am. I worked on my English subject and GK subject, which was weak, and I think I have more marks than my last time.
Okay, you were confident. So which state do you belong to?
I belong to Haryana.
Prashant, tell me something about yourself.
As I told you, my name is Prashant Dhillon. I am from Rewari district in Haryana. I live in a joint family which includes my grandfather, my parents and me. My father, Mr. Naveen Dhillon, is a manager in a private company. My mother, Mrs. Sangeeta Devi, is a homemaker. My grandfather was an ex-serviceman in army and he retired at the rank of Subedar. My strengths are that I am patient, physically fit, and my biggest strength, I think positive in adverse and uncomfortable situation also. My weakness are that I am weak in learning historical dates and I am shy also, a little bit shy.
Okay, so you are an introvert person.
No, I'm not introvert, but in front of others, whom do I?
You don't know, you feel shy a bit. Okay. So your grandfather was in army. So did he inspire you to join RIMC?
Yes, ma'am. He inspired me the most.
Okay. So Prashant, let's take an adverse situation where you are not able to be selected in your third attempt also, because you were not able to clear your second attempt. You were in reserve category. So if same thing happens in your last attempt also, what will you do?
Ma'am, I think I will qualify, but taking the worst situation, if I not selected, then my final aim is to join NDA. So then I will go in Sainik or military schools and try for NDA.
Acha, your target is NDA only.
Yes.
So which part of armed forces appealed to you the most?
Ma'am, Air Force.
Why Air Force?
Ma'am, because I like jets and try to be a...
Can you name 2 jets?
Yes, ma'am. Mirage 2000, Sukhoi and Rafale.
What do you know about Sukhoi?
Sukhoi is a jet which is taken from Russia.
Acha, was anything taken from France also?
Yes, ma'am. Rafale jet is taken from France.
So if you compare these two, Sukhoi and Rafale, what do you think, which is better?
Actually, ma'am, I do not have much knowledge, but I think Rafale is better because it is French technology. So I think it will be better.
Prashant, you mentioned you are from Haryana.
Yes.
Tell me, what are the bordering states of Haryana?
Yes, sir. The bordering states of Haryana are Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi. Yes, sir.
We have seen in news that Haryana, because of Haryana and many NCR region, the NCR region is facing pollution issue. How will you overcome it? If you are Chief Minister of Haryana, then what steps will you take to overcome the pollution problem?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I will reduce car tenure. As the car is, as long as the car will work, the pollution it will create more pollution. So I will reduce the car tenure to 8 years. It is now 10 years. And second step I will take, I will ban plastic bags and these things. I will promote jute bags, and these are also causing pollution because many people burn them, and these things cause very pollution.
Okay, that's great. You want to work on pollution. Let's say if God comes to you and grants you 3 wishes, what 3 wishes you would like to ask?
Sir, my 3 wishes would be, first wish mine would be I will become a Air Chief Marshal. And second wish be I will work on constructing more and more schools, as if we educate India, then India will be developed more and literacy will grow. Then unemployment was also decrease. And the third thing, I will ask him that my family members would always be happy and proud of me.
Okay, that's great. Can you name any 2-3 heroes of Air Force?
Yes, sir. First is Subroto Mukherjee, first Air Chief Marshal, and second one is Air Chief Marshal Amar Prem Chand.
Manpreet Singh.
Amarpreet Singh, sir.
Okay, it was nice talking to you, Prashant. Thank you so much. You can go.